Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be logged in and have the image file ready. This saves time. Once done, open Mobile Legends and go straight to your profile. Tap Edit, then the banner area. This is the entry point. Make sure the image meets size and format limits, otherwise the game will reject it. If an event banner is required, open that event screen now. This first step gets you into the exact interface where upload or selection happens. Next, choose Upload or Select from Gallery and allow storage permission if the game asks. This is why some steps fail. Then crop and position the image. Pinch to zoom and drag to center the focal point so your avatar and text won't be obscured. Once positioned, preview the banner to verify clarity and composition. If the preview shows pixelation or cutoff, adjust scale or choose another image. Take your time here because a good crop makes the banner look professional. Finish by tapping Save or Apply, then wait for the confirmation message and the brief upload animation. This confirms the server accepted your banner. Once saved, verify in your profile, lobby, and a live match. Make sure avatar overlaps and text remain readable. If something goes wrong, try reducing file size below 1 MB, re-login, or clear the app cache and retry. These fixes resolve most upload errors. Finally, if the banner still fails, switch to a simpler image and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.